but still hapana kana message yandati ndareceiva kuna anyone anoti ndine nhumbu yako.
YouTube, Facebook, or wherever war kundonera. Welcome, each guest. No, I no longer have an intro. Like, it's so what can I say? It's so boring, or it's so, I don't know what it is, but yeah, I no longer have an intro because I used to use my intro called YouTube only, and I didn't have a Facebook page, understand? And now that the Facebook page, Praise Magana, and then the YouTube also, Praise Magana, understand? So if it's the first time, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content, understand? And if it's the first time here, please like, follow, and share, you understand? I'm sure you'll be watching this on Facebook, or if you're watching it on YouTube, please just thumbs up, man, like, and subscribe when road to 10k. You wanna get to 10k this month. That's the goal, that's the target, you understand? Anyways, welcome guys. How are you? To those who don't understand Shona, please, this video is not for you. Yeah, this is an emotional Shona video, you understand? So if you don't understand Shona, I'm sorry, man. And yeah, so guys, today we're gonna be talking about the most trending guy in Zimbabwe right now. Even let me just say one of the most trending guys in Zimbabwe right now. And yeah, this story is like kind of emotional. And even me in Dr. Batkano, the feel like Batkana school was anxiety when talking about this. Yeah, man, it's not this, man. I can feel the pain. I can understand like what he's going through. You understand? So guys, today we're gonna talk about Tytie, guys. You understand? And I know most of you guys you think maybe I hate Tytie to do bengane moyo wese zvototi I don't know. Yes, Tytie akandibhaizira zvake like takabhaizirana madezi angoperayo akandwa necopyright uncopyrightawo apilawo kaita appeal YouTube, you understand? Akandwa necopyright YouTube, those who didn't know. And yeah, I'm sure most of you don't know because I think I was still on 1,000 subscribers, and yeah, and now I think I'm on the road to 4,000. And yeah, in Sanyang debate John Mades when another producer no matters, you understand? This guy wanna kill my future. The no matters go out on copyright. But I clip 9 seconds, you understand? So since I want battles when that and I'm moving, you understand? And I was just too far to do that, like memory ways, you understand? But yeah, it doesn't mean we see Nango Venga like Waki Wakashitepano, but the way he pushes his content, the way he do his things, you understand? This is a very good content creator, a very good one, you understand? And yeah, so to those who think that maybe I can't talk nice things about Tytie, so man, today I'm gonna be feel like, man, the feeling, man. But we feel for each other. Like, this is what Mwedu is going through, you understand? So yeah, I do really understand what he's going through, like. So this is the story, man. And I know most of you guys never got to Tytie haazvarise. Tytie I say you always be attacking him in comment section. Wakarombesa vana, wakaita sei vasosiri kubara, you understand, this and that. And I feel like nyaya yekuzvara is a very sensitive issue because not everyone not everyone akazvara. It's not like everyone haadi kuzvara, but munhu wese anoda kuzvara, understand? There's no way nyangwe wakabayiwa majadheu mangingi amunobayiwa nyangwe makashamba potikira, understand? There's always that extent ozongoswenda kuda mwana. That's when people that end up getting that desperate kuti they're going to tsvaka maspemdonas kutsvaka machichichi vanhu vatengesa vana vaya machichi, because unozongosvika paextend yekuti no man, une kachiremerera kaunozongoda kuti no man, ndakuda mwana man, ndakuda maningi, you understand? Ndakuda maningi, you understand? So I see most of you guys, you attack Tytie, and you think that maybe you don't wanna eat a mwana, maybe something like that. But yeah, it's so emotional, like you won't understand, man. Like, it's not easy, you understand? It's not easy because he according to him, he explained which I tried with Mwana. I don't with Mwana. I didn't did kick first. The Dana Noskana wonder like thousands of girls. I have tried with Mwana Basharam. He said ndakamutanga ita projection chaza macondoms madaswa like said nanangoita zvakadaro bosa nangoti ndakangowana uchero anongondipomero zvake kuti ndine nhumbu yako. You understand? That's not easy, man. I don't wanna lie. ukaona wasvika pakungoti yatinotya haidi kurwara but ukaona ungochino musikana wasvika naye wongosvika urara naye kuti ndingotsvaga wanongondipomera kuti ndiri nhumbi yako chero yekupomerwa right ukaona wasvika pa that extent. It's not easy man, like yo, it's not easy man, like so emotional man, like yo, the pain is too much, understand? And yeah, that was I said, he said he dated men girls and he tried kumitisa zvikaramba. And panendofunga kuti apa ndofanira kutomitisa apa zvikaramba over 20 girls kutaura waita, but it didn't work man, it didn't work man. And I'm sure, I think that's the reason why he selected kuroora kiki wake ane mwana wake, understand? So that you feel father uchaja kuti amai baba to someone, even though asina mwana wako. If you are matured enough, or if you are facing the problem, you face a time, you understand that man. That's why you see most of people, they end up abducta vana muchipatara, unobavana muchipatara chero mwana sero wake. The fact yongozi kunzi dead ni mwana knows nothing. The fact yongozi kunzi baba, the fact yongozi you are looking after the kid, the fact yongozi you got some responsibilities aunawo kunzi baba mwana that's why mwana, and I said it will make you feel so great and so good, and I said. So yeah, that's what happened to Tytie. He said ndakazama mana nditozvari warise problem mupandiri, so which means kana mana anokwanisa kumbatsira, maybe he might be like, he might got so much pride, or he's not humble enough to tell people to help him. But yeah, I just found a video, I think maybe it was from last year or this year, I don't know, but yeah, still shows with the Karibchana asaranya famous again. But yeah, social media doesn't forget us, and you still have video that we can go somewhere. And yeah guys, I wanna show you guys. Sikuba mukano matai, not mukano mangu. I don't talk I don't want to talk with you, and I don't want to make this video too long. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys and like tell you, it's so emotional man. There's no reason to salut with kurora asina even gachi bana munhu panga sazogara asina mukadzi anokusaba chisendeona kana kurora kuti kana hama dzinoti ataka kuti kuyu why uda kurora this and that, and una mwana inviganzi wakaroora hama dzedzako dzikuita mwana anytime soon, inanzi ndatombotya saka nicharorereni, yeah, nicharora. But manje there are many questions manje dzikuramba dzine vanhu, because Tytie is saying this to anyone, right? Yeah. And paakatanga kuzamazama zvevana, I think he was about 18, 19. So my question is, even I can't say my question, I'm saying my question because I'm the one who's doing the video from the researches that I did. So the people's question is, so you Tytie, what made you have the guts to at 18 or 19 but I mean, according to me, like as long as one got away, man, I feel like what got away, man, you feel like now I'm a father. Everything, whatever happened, it happened. There's nothing you guys on the chikisa. Jokozo ndagonzi baba nasi ndambo kwanza kuserve ndega dream diki ndambo kwanza kutambura this dream diki ndambo kwanza to go through this phase dream diki like this. And yeah, but that's the question now nakwanda. So what was that pesa pa whatever that's say you see people that end up saying I akaromba fani boss angatozama nguwa yekutozvara this and that, you understand? But I don't know zvindi zvosiyana zvanhu tine vana nyati like the likes of nyati is 19 as tina get 20 so I'm sorry he's not 20 but he was 19. This year I'm 19, even though it's not how many birthday, but yeah, I'm sure he's 19. But he's now a father to a kid who's almost 1 year. So yeah, I feel like no age actually I'm not my boys, my some experiments. The one who you funga or tipiso. I to Zaren. Tetos are one, I say, you understand? But yeah, that was the story for today, man. It's so emotional, man, so painful. But you're so famous, you got everything. Now you got the bag, got the money, but you don't have anyone who can see the machine. You understand? Auna munhu wekuzosira pfuma, auna mwana anozosara achito mwana waba moti yangu wangu wana anoto drive, auna mwana anozosara chideso, auna mwana otengero masina, auna mwana okuspoilo mazvo akatazotona bereko wako. So painful man, bereko wangu akura achitambura, you also do marry the no shame mwana okuspoilo, understand? So I want you guys to watch this video. Watch this video. It's so emotional, man. I know some of you are gonna cry, some of you are gonna find some show, some of you are gonna talk nonsense, gonna talk rubbish, but no man, I don't care.
But handina kana one akamboti ndine nhumbu yako. Taitotanga tichitodawo zvekupfeka macondoms, but unozosvika pamwe pakutongoti rega ndiregedze kupfeka. Pamwe apa pandingatoudzwawo kuti wakandimitisa. But hakuna message yakadaro. Makondomu tinotomada chaizvo, but pari zvino tinenge takutongoti kana ndada munhu wotongotraya pamwe ungazongonzi chero anenge angoita mwana wangu zvake. it's fine, ndoda kungoziva kuti ndine mwanawo. Zvakutotyisa kuti pamwe tichangoroora tigogara. Zvinototyisa kuroora izvi because uchingoroora vanhu vakutotarisira mwana. Ipo pakashayikwawo mukutamba kwese kwatinoita, pakashayikwa kana one zvake apomedzera. Matauriro anoita munhu unogona kudana naye nhasi, mangwana ava ex wako, mangwana aroorwa atova nemwana. Unonzwa zvinorwadza munhu achikuti handi wakanditadza, ndakatoroorwa ndatova nemwana kuno. Saka mashoko iwayo mashoko ekuti anobva andibata ndotanga kunyatsofungisisa kuti zviri kufamba sei. Ndaitoda mwana newe, wakanditadza, ndatova nemwana kuno. Kana dzimwe hanzvadzi dzangu dzimwe dziri diki kwandiri ndachiti manje mune mane muzukuru, handimi muri kunonoka. Saka zvinhu zvinondibata, handizvizivi kuti ndinozvara here kana kuti handizvare. Pane nguva ndichizvifunga uye pane nguva ndichitrayawo zvandaitraya kuti ndikwanise kuona, but still hapana kana message yandati ndareceiva kuna anyone anoti ndine nhumbu yako. Zvinondibata. Vana mai vanoda muzukuru ende ndini hapana pamwe patotiza napo, ndini ndiri kufanira kuti pave nezvimwe zvibereko, generation irambe ichienda mberi. But to be honest with you, handina chandiri kuona and ndiri kutozvidoubt. I'm doubting myself.
Thank you guys for watching the video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thumbs up. Do what I can do best, man. Yo, so emotional. Yeah, I'm just trying to hold my tears, but I can understand, man, his pain, and I can't laugh, man, because after all, I'm also a man. Maybe I might go through that, and yeah, waseka murume tomorrow, usikano kuseka murume nekusazvara mangwana, everyone will be looking at you like, where's the kid? You understand, man? So it's not anzi sekera pai, inonzi chitsumo yayo kuti anzi seka urema wafe, man, tanga wafe uzoseka kuti afende karemara, because mangwana you can just be doing what in the motor panzapo utoremara. So inonzi seka urema wafe. You understand? I can't laugh, I can't talk anything bad, I can't talk anything shit, man, because I don't have a kid now. So maybe ndingasanga kuseka ndane mwana uyazvarwe because nongwazvono, man. So zvimwe zvachona tinozovesa neshamhu, make sure kana kuseka kana zvakunakidza zvakaita se you une mwana, but I can feel his pain, man. I can imagine if it was me, man. Like yo, that's why I see most of men they end up doing suicide and whatever, because yo, depression and depression will be just a waste, man. But yeah, I beg guys, don't enjoy the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow my Facebook for more and more updates, understand, and this and that. Yeah, I hate Tytie sometimes. I'm bro, I don't know, okay, what, but yeah, I think I forgive him. I forgive what I forgive. I forgive whatever. But he still have to change. But we can't tell him what to do, man. He's famous. And so yeah, I can't tell him what to do. But he thinks he's above everyone. Yeah, he's above on top of everyone at time, but still, man, just know it was serious, man. Yeah, I beg guys, thank you for watching the video. If you have enjoyed it, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel for more important understand. Plus, besides guys, go and check out my content, but I also make vlogs, I also make nice content. Maybe I will be better than Tytie. I'm kidding, but yeah, I also make nice content. Just that I'm not famous. It's just that I'm not famous, but yeah, I also make nice vlogs with my girlfriend, and they are nice vlogs alone. Please go and check them out. You understand? Thank you guys. I love you so much. Peace out.